Okay, so here's a little follow-up from tonight. This is how I set these up. X, f of x. Okay, and then I typically do delta x. Now you typically do a, b, n. Okay, so let's say that we are going to integrate this function. So x squared plus 5 or something, plus 5x plus 1. Okay, let's say that's our function. And we're going to integrate it from x equals 2 to x equals 10. No, that's too much. 5. Okay, that's what I want. So from there to there. Sweet. Okay, so this a then is 2. B is 5. And again, we're going to do n like 100 or 1,000 or whatever. Doesn't really matter. Delta x is always equals, parentheses, your b minus your a. So on the x-axis, we want a distance of 3. And then we're going to break it up by what we're counting by. So we divide by n. So our x's are always going to start at a. And then we're going to add delta x divided by 2. So we're going over halfway. If we went over a full delta x, that's the full width of the box. But first we want to start in the middle of the box. Okay? So that's going to be at like 2.015 or something, right? The next one is going to be the previous guy plus the delta x, right? Because we're going to go over the from midpoint to the next midpoint. Make sense? Now, remember to hit F4. Oh, for crying in the mud. What is going on? F4. There you go. And now, if I drag this puppy down to 101, you will see that I stopped just shy of whatever I said I was going to stop just shy of. Just shy of 5, yes? Nice. Now, what is my function? My function is equals x squared plus 5 times x plus 1. Paste that down, and then equals sum. And you can either click and drag what you want to highlight. See that? Or you can actually just type it in if it makes you happier. So B2 colon B101, if that's what you did. That's what I did. Times delta x. Oops. There it is. Yay. So the answer is 94.5-ish. And then again, yeah. But Jay, I want to do 500. Okay, weirdo. You only have to change 500. Okay, and then we have to scroll down. We have to pull these two dudes down to 501. Okay. Obviously, we're going further this time, so we're going to drag it down further. Okay, but and then there's one last tiny issue, and that is this isn't right because this only went to 101, so I'm going to need to change it to 501. And that's where dragging actually, in my mind, actually helps a lot because you can actually see exactly what it is you're adding. Okay, so again, right here, equals sum. Get rid of this and just simply go, okay, parentheses, and then click and go drag what you want. So done. Okay, see that? And then if you come back up here and you'll see, is that what you wanted? Yep, sure is. Boom, done. Sure looks like it's gonna be 94.5, doesn't it? Okay. What if I did 1,000? Well, what if you did? Okay, notice that changed, but it's a little goofed up, remember? So don't panic. We got this. We have to go all the way to 1,001. Whee! Okay, so notice that changed, but it's kind of goofy. So we want to go to 1,001, right? Oopsie daisy, what happened? Something's a little goofed up there, bud. Oh, something's a little goofed up because you didn't make this into 1,000, you freaking goof. You did it into 100. 94.5. Bam! Okay? So that should help you, I hope. Let me know if you need help.